Welcome to our channel. Whether you're an avid DIYer or just looking to upgrade your toolbox, the right tools can make every project smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. In this video, we're showcasing the top 6 must-have DIY tools that combine innovation, practicality, and reliability. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Detail Sander. This 65-watt mini palm sander is the ultimate tool for detailed sanding and polishing jobs. Designed for comfort and control, it features an ergonomic grip and a lightweight frame that makes it as easy to handle as a pen. The low height ensures excellent stability, while reduced vibration minimizes tingling and numbness in your fingers during extended use. Its self-adhesive bottom plate allows for quick and effortless sandpaper changes. Number 5, Hand Tools Pro. This 16-in-1 multi-tool is a versatile companion for outdoor and home projects alike. It combines essential tools such as pliers, a knife, a saw, a bottle opener, scissors, and screwdrivers into a single compact design. Crafted for durability and convenience, it's perfect for camping trips, DIY repairs, and everyday carry. The flagship design ensures that each tool is robust and ready to tackle various tasks. Whether you're opening bottles, cutting wires, or making quick repairs, this multi-tool has you covered. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry and a must-have for anyone who values preparedness. Number 4, Cable Tie Gun. Simplify your cable management tasks with this stainless steel cable tie gun. Designed to handle stainless steel cable ties ranging from 4.6 millimeters to 19 millimeters in width, this tool is perfect for securing cables with precision. It features an automatic fastening and cutting function, saving time and effort while ensuring a secure fit. The gun is crafted from special tool steel, ensuring durability even with frequent use. Its user-friendly design includes a blue push-mount mechanism for easy operation. Whether you're managing cables in industrial settings or organizing wires at home, this tool provides a professional-grade solution. Number 3, Electric Car Jack. Take the hassle out of roadside repairs with this 3-in-1 electric car jack kit. This kit includes an electric jack, an impact wrench, a tire inflator, gloves, and a sturdy storage case. The electric jack not only lifts vehicles effortlessly, but also doubles as an air pump and a flashlight, making it an all-in-one solution for emergencies. The impact wrench features a high-torque motor for efficient tire changes, while the DC 12-volt power supply ensures convenience. The toolbox packaging makes it portable and easy to store, and its advanced motor technology guarantees low noise and stable performance. Suitable for cars, SUVs, and more, this kit is a lifesaver on the road. Number 2, LED Mask. Stand out at parties or events with this full-color LED mask. Its luminous face-transforming design is perfect for Halloween, cosplay, or masquerades. The DIY editing feature allows you to customize animations, text, and colors, ensuring you always have a unique look. Lightweight and comfortable, this mask is powered by rechargeable batteries, offering hours of glowing fun. The vivid RGB display brings your creations to life, making it an exciting accessory for creative expression. Whether you're looking to make a statement or simply add some flair to your costume, this LED mask is a head-turner. Number 1, Magic Sucker Mug. Enjoy your beverages spill-free with this 470-milliliter ceramic mug. Its unique Magic Sucker design ensures it stays securely on any flat surface, preventing accidental spills. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.